If you are in need of boosted cutting power with reduced effort, our Dual Link family of tools features a power compounding link designed for ease of cut on fresh green stems. On a standard pruning tool, the force to make a cut rests on a single point in the blade, requiring greater force to complete a cut. Dual Link provides a mechanic advantage with its compound lever that applies the force to several points, requiring less effort. This advanced feature appeals to the engaged gardener and homeowner looking for professional results in their landscape, but without the added wear and tear on them. Products in this line includes hand pruners, loppers, head shears and tree pruners, and many featuring a ComfortGEL grip. For lasting performance and durability, Corona's premium Max Forge Dual Cut family is for the experienced gardener and homeowner. These tools are handcrafted and built from solid steel that is heat treated, a process which forms the hardest, most reliable metal for maximum sharpness. Featured in hand pruners, loppers and head shears, Dual Cut boasts dual cutting zones for trimming fresh green stems, a power zone for making larger cuts, and a precision zone for making smaller precision cuts on finer limbs. The unique design of the hook helps secure the limb near the pivot bolt, which is where the cutting force is. Dual cut forged steel means they are built to last, and all blades are resharpenable. Finally, rounding off Corona's popular family of tools is razor tooth pruning saws, beloved by new DIY homeowners, experienced landscape professionals and bushcraft adventurers. These quality hand saws include a variety of styles, including folding handle, fixed handle and tree pruners. There is a lot that goes into the engineering process, making these pull cut action saws that cut 2 times faster than conventional saw blades. It starts with the heat treated SK5 steel blades with chrome coated, impulse hardened teeth for maximum sharpness and lasting performance. The special angle of the teeth, combined with more teeth per inch, is designed to pull the sawdust and debris from the cutting channel, resulting in faster cuts. Smaller folding saws are ideal for DIYers who need to make moderate-sized pruning cuts, larger folding saws and fixed saws for the landscape professional, and compact folding saws for adding to survivalist and outdoor trail maintenance backpacks. Corona Tools, the confidence you need to get the job done right, season after season.